Hello, and welcome to another unboxing here on the channel, where today it is a very nice piece of filmmaking kit. It is the Zhiyun weebil S. It is a DSLR gimbal that I think will work really nicely with my a6400 because it doesn't weigh too much, and that's obviously what you want. You want a strong gimbal and a light camera. If I had a Canon, this would be a different story because Canons are really heavy and big. So without any further ado, I have 17% left on the camera and a gimbal to unbox. So we gotta make this quick. This box is so nice looking. It looks like it belongs in the Apple store. It's matte white. It's so nice. So I'm gonna try to cut it open without cutting me open. There we go. First seal is done. You just gotta pull these little tabs on it. Let me just stand up here for you. I'm trying to make sure the box isn't upside down, so when I pull it out, not everything falls out. And if I'm lucky, I can rip little pieces of plastic off until my floor is a mess. So here that goes. I think there's an instruction manual here. Tons of little silica gels in there. Yeah, anti-mold packaging. That's always important to have with a gimbal. Pop this off. Ooh, right away. Everything is so nice and metal. The little scroll wheel has nice resistance to it. Everything is just freezing cold metal. We got the two batteries right here, which are very important. And then we have the actual gimbal itself. Let's see if I can pull it out here. Look at this. This is not very big. This is not very big at all. It's so portable, and it locks on 3 axes, which is so nice. And I think they're all independent, which means balancing this thing is gonna be an absolute dream. Yeah, we got lock, we got unlock. Now it swivels, now it doesn't. Perfect for storage. Oh man. Cables, tripod. Stick this in here for underslung mode. Oh, and it even has a lock and unlock. Everything, oh my God, it's so nice. Look at that. Quick release plates, battery chargers. Guys, this is so nice. Oh my gosh. Just from the unboxing experience alone, I would 100% recommend this. This feels so nice. And I'm gonna go plug my camera's batteries in and show you some sample shots, which I think will be pretty cool. Stay with me.